Breaking news tonight, Mecklenburg County leaders approved lifting the mask mandate. County commissioners voted just moments ago on the mask policy.
That's right. The mandate will be lifted in 10 days on February 26th. That's a Saturday. We have team coverage of the board's decision and its impact on you. Brianna Harper looking into what this decision means for CMS students and whether or not businesses can still mandate masks on their own.
But first, let's go to WCNC Charlotte's Hunter Sines, who was there when they took up the vote. He joins us live from the Government Center with the latest. Hunter?
Fred, Vanessa, in 10 days on February 26th, you will no longer have to wear one of these while indoors in Mecklenburg County by law. The unanimous vote that dropped tonight came by commissioners, and it came with a ruckus inside the county chambers. It's been a while since I've seen so many people packed in there. This time, many of them with signs and no masks, asking leaders to get rid of the mask mandate, while a couple parents asked leaders to keep the mandate in place, arguing it keeps our community safe.
We need to reverse this. Do no harm to the healthy and protect the vulnerable. And the only way to do this is to make masks optional for all and encourage the vulnerable to wear N95 masks.
We make the decision to wear it because we think it's the better decision for the larger community. Not just what I want, not just what I think is most comfortable, but what's the best decision for the community.
Those pleas came after County Health Director Dr. Raynard Washington updated the community on where we stand when it comes to COVID-19. So why does he think that it's time to get rid of the mask mandate? He said cases and hospitalizations are down and cloth masks have not been as effective against the Omicron variant. Dr. Washington also explained there's higher immunity in our community thanks to vaccines and many having already got the virus.
It is very likely that COVID-19 will become endemic in not just America, but across the globe. This is a reality that we have been discussing for quite some time as it relates to COVID is here, and we must learn to adapt, adjust, to live with it.
Dr. Washington also said that he will be recommending that K through 12 schools as well as daycares begin planning to shift to mask optional policies by early March. He says he will be at the CMS board meeting next week to speak his opinion on this matter. And he says that it is a good reminder CMS, the board there, has to vote on what happens inside the classrooms. Fred?
Hunter, they voted to get rid of the mask mandate tonight. Why do we have to wait 10 days?
Yeah, so by law, they voted on this mask mandate, getting rid of the mask mandate, by acting as a board of public health. And by state law, they have to give the community 10 days of notice for it to go into effect. So February 26th is when the mandate will be no more. But as we know, it's already not being enforced, rather. And so you could see a lot less people wearing this mask.
All right, Hunter, thank you for your report.